Ay, mga happy birthday. Ingat po lagi. More birthday to come. God bless.
Hi, Nay. Happy birthday. Happy 64 birthday. Ay, ambleg. Kasi pang maraka pang birthday ang itaw ka ni mo ang Ginoo. Salamat sa tanan-tanan. Happy birthday, Nay. Ingat ka mo permi dyan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nay. More birthday to come. Ingat palagi. I love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Love you. Happy birthday, Nay. Wish namin bigyan ni Papa Lord ng mahabang buhay ikaw at magandang pangangatawan. Happy birthday ulit sa'yo. We love you.
Happy birthday po, Nay.